Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about GINT8 integers. Um, the thing is, I already talked about 32 and 16-bit. Those are same. Link in the description if you want to know those. And just if you're using numbers only less than 127, then I'm gonna say you will use get int 8, because what it does, it will make your program so efficient and so fast that you don't even know about. So just I'm saying to do that. So what I'm gonna do is change into 8 and change into to an 8 highest 8-bit integer. And when we get that, if you don't want to know what these are, you need to watch my previous videos, link in the description. So do that. 127. So this video is all about. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.